Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight to action. Open Settings now and find the Find My section. You need your device passcode and account password. Have them handy because you'll be asked to confirm identity. If you're on iPhone, tap your name at the top, then Find My. If you're on Android, open Google Settings and find My Device or Location. Once you're in, make sure location services are active so the interface shows current device status before you proceed to disabling alerts. Now you'll perform the core actions. On iPhone, tap Find My iPhone and toggle it off. Enter your Apple ID password to remove activation lock. This stops remote alerts and location pings. On Android, open Google Security, Find My Device and toggle off, then pause or turn off location sharing. Make sure to review the list of linked devices in your account and remove any that shouldn't be there. That prevents them from triggering future alerts. These steps stop alert generation and cut account-level tracking. Finish by restarting your device to ensure settings apply. Once done, check the Find My status in Settings. It should indicate disabled or off. Make a quick test. From a second device or web account, attempt to locate or trigger an alert. Confirm nothing comes through. If alerts still appear, make sure you removed every linked device and then sign out of your Apple or Google account and sign back in. If that fails, reset network settings as a final troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.